Good morning all of you. I am Jasbir Venugopalan, Faculty of Commerce Department. As a part of orientation program, I'm going to take one topic about innovation and life. Welcome to the session. So what is the meaning of innovation? As we know about what are all the innovations are affecting in our life. What is the meaning of innovation now? Innovation is a practical implementation of ideas that result in the introduction of new goods or services. This innovation is creating positive change in our life. Then we have to discuss about the importance of innovation. What is the importance of innovation in our life? Our growth according to the customers' needs. We have to innovate the new products. Then next we are going to discuss about what is the role of society, innovation in role of society. These new technologies, products and services simultaneously to meet the social needs and lead to improved capabilities and better use of assets and resources. Best example for the plastic we removed from the society, and then we are using the paper bags and cloth material we are using to make some bags and all. So that we adopted in the we implemented in the society. So and then next best example we can say about the first electric vehicle introduced in the cars market. Now we are going to discuss about innovation in future jobs. According to technological advancement, productivity will be increased. By 2050, due to this continued technology, driven product improvement will be arise. Best example we can say about robotics in future technology. The next one, space tourism with the help of future technology, self-driving cars, and then new sources of energy, virtual reality. Okay, now we are going to discuss how to reduce sickness, poverty and hunger. How innovation is reducing the sickness? In medical diagnostic areas, new technologies, they are well equipped technologies, new technologies they are implementing in the medical diagnostic areas. Then they can find out easily the disease, they can cure the persons. Then next we are going to study about how to reduce the poverty and hunger. Most weapon is education is the most weapon to reduce the poverty and hunger. Then how they are giving the underdeveloped countries, they are using hippo roller, and then there is hot pot solar ovens technology they are using. Next we are going to discuss innovation in communication. Symbolic interaction between organization and their stakeholders dealing with new products, services and technologies. We have already seen a huge technological improvement during the past decades and continue to do so in future. Best example we can say about the mobile phone. Now fifth generation is going on, 5G, and then Apple iPhone, Samsung Galaxy is the best example for the new innovative technology in mobile phone. Next, innovation in educational accessibility. And innovation in learning occurs in a specific teaching and learning context, improving upon the implementation of the standard practice or introducing a new practice, thus achieving greater learning outcome. Innovation in education encourages students and teachers to research, explore and use all the tools to uncover something new. Innovation involves a different way of looking at problems and solving them. It also improves education because it compels students to use a higher level of thinking to solve complex problems. We can say the example for virtual classrooms and then blended learning system. What is the importance of innovation in an organization? Innovation as a concept refers to the process that an individual or organization undertakes to conceptualize, brand new products, process and ideas, or to approach existing product, process and ideas in new ways. They are innovating the products. That means organizational innovation means, best example we can say Samsung, Apple, McDonald's and Microsoft. Instead of trying to promote ideas and innovations through traditional structures, they align their structures in such a way that ideas and innovations can prosper. I hope all are understood what is the importance in innovation in our life. Thank you.